How to use indicator-based triggers. Indicator-based triggers let us create trigger conditions based on indicator values. To start using indicators as triggers, we select an indicator trigger from the list of triggers. There are two configurations for indicators. One is to compare an indicator with another indicator value, and the other is to compare an indicator with a specific value. Both configurations are pre-built for easy access. Once we make a selection, we can change this configuration from the node anytime. Currently, there are 20 types of indicators available. These include average directional movement index, average directional rating, simple moving average, exponential moving average, weighted moving average, relative strength index, rate of change, momentum, average true range, standard deviation, Bollinger Bands, Chaikin AD oscillator, money flow index, stochastic RSI, linear regression angle, linear regression slope, directional index, and MACD. These are among the most commonly used indicators. Now, as an example, to create a golden crossover setup, we select exponential moving average with a length of 200. We then add an exponential moving average of 50 both for 1 hour candles. This will get triggered whenever the exponential moving average 200 crosses below the exponential moving average 50. We can see there are options like crosses above, crosses below, greater than, and less than. These options behave differently from each other. Crosses above will only be triggered when a value moves from below into the required range. For example, if we select an RSI 15 and choose crosses below RSI 20, the trigger will occur only when the RSI 15 was previously above 20 and then moves to a value below RSI 20. If, before the trigger, the RSI 15 value was already below RSI 20, it will not trigger. But if we select less than, even if the RSI 15 was already less than 20 at the start, it will still be triggered. With crosses below, the trigger only activates at the moment the value crosses down. That means if the RSI 15 was previously above RSI 20 and then it drops below RSI 20, the trigger will activate. Similarly, we can create an indicator with a fixed value condition. In this case, RSI 15 crosses below 30. So if the value is already below 30, before the trigger is set, the indicator will not fire. It will only fire when the RSI is confirmed to be above 30 and then crosses below it. We can also pick any of the indicators and build a custom value condition. Indicators can also be combined using or and if any nodes. In this case, we are building a condition that waits for either of the indicator condition turns true. Here we are configuring for RSI value to be either above 70 or RSI value to be below 30. This way user can create combination of indicator conditions that can be configured based on multiple indicator values. Let's recap. Indicator-based triggers allow you to create conditions based on the values of technical indicators. You can configure triggers either by comparing one indicator with another indicator or by comparing an indicator with a fixed value. Automate currently supports 20 commonly used indicators, including RSI, moving averages, SMA, EMA, WMA, Bollinger Bands, ATR, and more. Triggers can be defined using conditions such as crosses above, crosses below, greater than, and less than. Crosses above, crosses below activate only at the exact moment a value crosses a threshold. Greater than, less than will trigger whenever the condition is already satisfied. You can also combine multiple indicator conditions using any and or and if logic to build more advanced strategies. Using these options, traders can easily create setups like moving average crossovers, RSI overbought or oversold signals, and multiple indicator confirmation strategies directly within Automate. Got questions on indicator-based trigger guide? Comment below or ask us in the FYERS community. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.